Did you know that the United States produced 4.4 billion bushels of soybeans in 2024? But even with all of that, diseases still wiped out 5.4% of yields. These diseases could be foliar diseases, stem blights, nematodes, you name it. But something that soybeans are really prone to are root diseases, especially when they're in early developmental stages. We have the ranking of the top 5 root rots and seedling blights that affected soybeans in 2024. Coming in at number 1, we have soybean cyst nematode. This shouldn't be a surprise to anybody because SCN is frequently called the #1 yield robber in soybeans. These nematodes are small worms that attach themselves to soybean roots and create cysts, which really interferes with water and nutrient uptake in the plant. Coming in at number 2, we have fungal and omycete diseases. So omycetes are a little bit different than fungi, but we classify them as water molds. Our number 1 omycete we're worrying about is Pythium here. And for fungi, these are going to colonize roots and kind of break them down. These would be like Fusarium, Rhizoctonia, and Phomopsis diporthi. Coming in at number 3, we have another nematode, root knot nematode, or RKN. These nematodes enter roots and communicate to the plant to send resources and food, which will cause these large kind of galls to form on our soybean roots. Coming in at number 4, we have reniform nematode, so another nematode. This nematode acts very similarly to soybean cyst nematode. However, it's seen more frequently in the south, so the Midwest doesn't really have issues with this yet. The nematode will attach to the root, kind of form a little cyst, and interfere with the plant's ability to function normally. And coming in at number 5, we have taproot decline, caused by Xylaria necrophora. Now, when you hear a word like necrophora, think of necrotic, black, fungal growth. Even sometimes in fields that are really heavily infested, they can get these growths that kind of look like dead man's fingers. The reason why seedling blights and root rots are so bad is because they affect our most vulnerable soybeans when they're in their seedling stage. Plants like this one here are a bit bigger and can take a hit a little better from a disease. But when you have a tiny little plant, those seedling blights can really affect it and wipe it out.